Decor Designs, your go-to channel for creating spaces you absolutely love. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. We all dream of that perfect outdoor oasis. A place to sip coffee in the morning or host friends for a sunset barbecue. But often when we look at professional landscaping magazines, the price tags are enough to make us head right back inside. Well, today is all about changing that narrative. We're diving deep into the world of budget-friendly outdoor living spaces to show you that $1 million vibe doesn't require $1 million bank account. Let's get started. A budget-friendly outdoor living space is an intentional extension of your home's interior that focuses on maximizing functionality and style without the need for expensive structural renovations or high-end designer furniture. It's about being resourceful, using affordable materials, DIY projects, and clever layout choices to create an area for relaxation, dining, or entertaining. Instead of pouring a $20,000 concrete patio, it might mean using gravel or stylish outdoor rugs. It's the art of smart luxury, where the value is found in the comfort and atmosphere of the space rather than the cost of the individual items within it. Creating an affordable outdoor area offers incredible benefits that go far beyond just saving money. First and foremost, it significantly increases your home's usable square footage, giving you a bonus room for much of the year, which is excellent for mental well-being and stress relief. Because you aren't spending a fortune, there is much less pressure for the space to be perfect or precious. You can truly live in it, let the kids play, and enjoy yourself without worrying about a $5,000 sofa getting rained on. Additionally, these spaces are easily adaptable. When you decorate on a budget, you have the financial flexibility to update your style, swap out pillows, or move furniture as your tastes evolve or the seasons change. The secret to making a budget space look high-end lies in layering and lighting. Start by defining the floor of your space with a large, weather-resistant rug or a bed of pea gravel to create a designated zone. Use a cohesive color palette, usually a mix of neutrals with 1 or 2 bold accent colors, to make the area feel professionally designed. Lighting is your best friend here. Hanging string lights, solar-powered lanterns, or even simple LED candles can mask imperfections and create a magical, expensive-looking evening ambience. Don't forget the greenery. Using plants of varying heights in mismatched pots, painted in a uniform color, adds life and texture. Finally, treat the outdoors like an indoor room by adding soft textiles like throw blankets and plush pillows, which instantly bridge the gap between backyard and living room. When shopping for an affordable outdoor setup, prioritize multifunctional and durable items. Modular seating, like resin wicker or treated wood benches, is fantastic because you can rearrange it to fit different occasions. String lights, Edison-style bulbs, are perhaps the highest impact, lowest cost item you can buy to instantly elevate a space. For tables, consider found items like painted wooden pallets or galvanized metal tubs that can double as coffee tables and ice chests. Outdoor rugs are essential for hiding cracked concrete or old decking. Additionally, a simple propane fire column or a portable fire pit provides a focal point and warmth for a fraction of the cost of a built-in fireplace. Lastly, oversized floor cushions and hammocks offer extra seating and a relaxed, bohemian vibe for very little investment. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here these the compilation of the top 10 best budget-friendly outdoor living spaces ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, the minimalist Zen retreat. In this design, we see how less is more can create a high-end feel. The weathered gray wood siding of the home provides a natural, textured backdrop for a simple gravel patio. By using iconic butterfly chairs and a clean-lined wooden dining set, the space feels open and airy. The focus here is on the surrounding greenery, proving that you don't need a lot of furniture when you have a beautiful natural landscape to highlight. 2. The coastal bedroom extension. This space perfectly illustrates the indoor-outdoor flow. By opening up large French doors, the bedroom spills out onto a bright white stone patio. The use of a central light-colored stone fire pit surrounded by woven armchairs creates a symmetrical, balanced look that feels like a luxury resort. It's a great example of using neutral tones and natural textures to create a serene, expensive-looking environment on a modest footprint. 3. Modern gray multi-level deck. Gray tones are incredibly trendy and make everything look more modern. This space uses a multi-level deck to separate the dining area from the lounging area. The built-in gray stone fire feature serves as a sturdy focal point that anchors the entire patio. By matching the house color to the deck accents, the whole space feels unified and custom-made, even if the furniture is simple and affordable. 4. The tropical boho pergola. If you have a small backyard, go vertical. This pergola setup uses a black painted frame to create a dramatic contrast against the white and blue patterned floor. Hanging lush ferns at different heights creates a living ceiling, while a hanging wicker egg chair adds a playful, trendy touch. The bright blue geometric tiles, or even a painted stencil pattern, make the ground look like a piece of art. 5. The classic sun-drenched dining nook. You don't need a huge renovation to have a great dining spot. This traditional wooden deck uses a simple red umbrella and matching cushions to provide a pop of color that feels intentional and bright. A large outdoor rug with a border helps define the dining area and protects the deck boards. It's a cozy, functional setup that works for any family home. 6. The stone-walled outdoor living room. This stunning area uses rugged stone walls and a built-in fireplace to create a space that feels like a permanent part of the home. The high ceiling with wood beams and a ceiling fan ensures the area stays cool and comfortable. By using wicker furniture with thick, neutral cushions and adding indoor elements like a wall-mounted TV and lamps, this patio becomes a true second living room. 7. The elegant mountain view cabana. Luxury doesn't always mean walls. This pergola uses flowing black and white striped curtains to provide shade, privacy, and a massive dose of style. The white furniture with caneback details keeps the look light and sophisticated. A simple rectangular fire table in the center makes it the perfect spot for evening drinks while overlooking a beautiful view. 8. The suburban covered patio. This design shows how to maximize a covered area attached to the house. The stone-clad pillar with a built-in fireplace and TV creates an entertainment hub. The large circular wooden table is perfect for family meals, and the mix of stone pavers and manicured garden beds creates a clean, organized look that increases curb appeal and functionality. 9. The Grand Pavilion Lounge. A vaulted wood ceiling with a large industrial fan makes this outdoor space feel grand and spacious. The brick fireplace is the heart of the room, flanked by bright yellow lanterns for a touch of whimsy. Using a large sectional sofa allows for plenty of guest seating, and the patterned rug adds warmth to the stone floor, making it feel incredibly inviting. 10. The cozy urban enclosure. Even a small, fenced-in corner can become a sanctuary. This space uses high wooden lattice fences for privacy and vertical gardening. A comfortable L-shaped wicker sectional fits perfectly into the corner, while yellow mums and white garden stools add brightness to the darker wood tones. A tall patio heater ensures this space can be used even when the temperature drops. Creating a beautiful outdoor living space doesn't have to be a financial burden. It's about using what you have, choosing a few key pieces that make a big impact, and focusing on comfort. Whether you have a massive backyard or a tiny urban patio, these ideas show that style is about creativity, not just cost. If you enjoyed these ideas, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more weekly inspiration. I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 10 designs was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a transformation. Thanks for watching and happy decorating!